What is your favorite food?
Why are you asking me that?
Culinary enthusiasts and lovers of Mahabharat, tonight we are excited to present a performance that brings together that art of dance and the love of food.
Hey, how Mahabharata is connected to love for food?
Because it is a tribute to Gadol Gajan, the son of Bhima, known for his legendary appetite and culinary adventures.
How? Let's honor this dance, guys.
Grade 5 boys, Kalyana Samayal Sadam, dance participants. Harish C, Narain Vasant M, Harshavardhan S.J, Darshan Kumar S, Jason Jones Y, Vidul Manav R.V, Dashwin Raj K, Shashwin Aditya M, Nishwin Jiva A.J, Pavan Kumar D, Tarun S, Jay Adash E, Tavanesh T, Sai Mandip A.H.R, Nitish M, Nitin R, Muhammad Saifullah Z, Anbuchelvan I.G, Kishore Kumar A, Shyam Prasad S, Vedesh K.S, Vishwa K, Nitish Kumar V, Sarveshwaran P.
Kalyana Samayal Sadam. Kalyana Samayal Sadam. Kaayarigalum Pramadam. And the Kaurava Prasadam. Iduve enakku podum. Kalyana Samayal Sadam. Kaayarigalum Pramadam. And the Kaurava Prasadam. Iduve enakku podum. Kalyana Samayal Sadam. Kaayarigalum Pramadam. And the Kaurava Prasadam. Iduve enakku podum.
Wow, what an enchanting performance.